The Caldeira do Faial is a 6.8 kilometer long hiking trail at the top of Faial. Descending into the crater is only possible with a registered guide. The altitude difference along the trail is about 240 meters. Overall, it will take about 2 to 2.5 hours to complete. Starting directly next to the viewpoint and the adjacent parking lot, this short hike along the PRC4 on Faial is perfect if you only have a single day to spend on the island. The best time to do this hike is between May and October, preferably on a sunny day. After a lot of rain, some of the path will be muddy, but we found it to be still possible. The hike doesn't feature any exposed locations, and for the most part the path was not too bad, even after a lot of rain in the last few days. At an altitude of about 1000 meters, it can get quite windy. For the most part, the trails are quite easy to walk on, but some sections are a bit steeper and especially after rain can get quite slippery. If you have more time to spend on the island, about halfway through the crater there's a path leading down to the coastline. Sadly, we didn't have the time to follow that one. We also have to state that round trips are the easiest hikes on the Azores. Long distance trips are a bit tricky since the public transit is really not that well built out, and the taxi drivers have been ripping us off quite badly. The Caldeira is also the scene of a very popular trail run that happens on the Azores. If you happen to get caught in it, the progress along the trail might be hindered quite a bit. So thank you for joining us on this trip around the Caldeira on Faial. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to press the like button and let us know in the comments down below.